Hey guys, so today I'll be unboxing this DJI RS3 Mini Gimbal. I got this gimbal because I wanted steadier handheld footage, something that could really level up my shots. Now, here's the box. It's very minimalist, with a clean white and black design. You got a picture of the gimbal itself and some of the key features highlighted. It's a good, sturdy box. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. When you open the box, the first thing you're greeted with is a bag of documentation, which we'll check out later. Now, next, this section of the box, completely empty. They probably did that so the gimbal doesn't shake around while traveling. Now, here's the gimbal itself. Also, we've got another cardboard insert, and another one, and in this box, we have all your accessories. Let's dump them out. You get the tripod, charging cables, and all that good stuff. Now, here's everything laid out. First up, the documentation bag. Inside, you find a customer support information card, and it features 2 QR codes. And yes, we have stickers. I love stickers. These are high quality ones that stick really well. I'll definitely save those for later. Next up is the manual, which is pretty long and detailed. You can read through it if you want. There's also another leaflet that includes pretty much every language in the whole entire world, and a quick start setup guide that gives step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your gimbal, attach a tripod, and get started. It's clear, concise, and has pictures, which makes things 10 times easier. Next, we've got a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. This is to connect some cameras to the gimbal itself. Next, there's a mini quick release plate, which attaches underneath your camera. You align this curved end to your camera lens. And they also included some screws and bolts for the plate. Either one of these can be used to secure the quick release plate to your camera. Up next is a tripod base. It's a foldable tripod and it's really sturdy. And now we have another cable, a USB Type A to USB Type C cable for charging the gimbal. Alright, the star of the show, the gimbal itself. It looks pretty intimidating at first glance, and it has a nice weight to it. There's a lot going on here, but I'll figure it out. At the bottom, you've got the tripod mount threads, and at the front, there's a trigger. On the back, there's a small screen and a joystick for movement controls. You've also got the power button, a scroll wheel, and a few other customizable buttons around the grip. Now, let's attach a tripod stand. You just screw it into the bottom like this, and there you go. Your gimbal can stand on its own. This will make it easier to attach a camera and balance it. And that's it for the unboxing. If you're interested in seeing some test footage from this gimbal, stay tuned. I'll be posting that in another video soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.